AI. I mean, they use a lot of tools. They have that, like, they use AI efficiently to make sure that like the product is shipped, quickly, or like they have more productivity. I am Ashwati from Geeky Ants. So we are the sponsors of this conference, the GeekCon. So this conference was like, this is the third edition of this conference that we are doing. And today our topic is building AI first products. And I am from Geeky Ants and I am like, sponsor of this particular conference. So like about us, we have been doing a lot of conferences. We have been in the open source and the community space for a while. So we are a 20-year-old company. So we have been like contributing a lot to the developer community, and so we have been organizing conferences, sponsoring conferences like the GeekConf. So this is the third edition of the conference, and so like we know, so today's world is mostly led by AI. So this is the like second AI conference that we are doing. The last one that we did was in December, and this is the second edition. So we have a lot of talks lined up on like how to build AI-driven products. And I think we had around 5 exciting talks about that, and we have a panel discussion also on top of it on like how to make sure that your product works on production and make it production ready, scale it and build. So this is about it. And also is
Yeah,
that
and I'm from Geeky Ants, a co-founder. And here today we have lot of people coming in from different companies like AWS, and we have talks from people from Microsoft. So everyone is building AI these days, and everyone wants to leverage the power of AI and want to build their product so that they don't lag behind. So this is something that's big, and it will be huge in coming days. Company, and we don't want to miss this opportunity of taking AI into consideration and build our products around it and help people bring their products up and build it faster. We're expanding into AI verticals a lot. We have built a lot of, our ecosystem is built around AI, and we are transforming a lot of different processes that we have inside. And also we are trying to build AI for our customers as well, where they can leverage the power of AI into their products.
This conference is for the community. I mean, this is not like a paid conference. So this is a conference for people to build awareness around AI. So the thing is that like there is a lot of confusion. Like people are not sure on like the way forwad with it. So we are just giving them a direction on like building the right products, how to scale it, and how to build on top of it. So that's one intent of this product. So as I was telling, like we have been doing a lot of conferences from the past 10 years. So now we have pivoted it to AI and AI-driven products.
One minute. When people were actually just using AI to build their products, now we want companies to become AI first.
Okay. Okay.
Everywhere, like people are building agents where they can ship things faster. They can do a lot of mundane tasks and give it to agents that they're building. So things that were taking around